In today's video, we're going to be talking about how the spot price of silver and gold are both on a decline today, as well as why I believe we might be on the verge of some housing market craziness. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about both silver and gold because it's a red day for the beautiful white metal and the beautiful yellow metal. We also have to talk about the world of real estate because I believe, with the news that just came out, we're probably going to be seeing quite a bit of housing market craziness. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And make sure to go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. It is the last day to get $15 worth of Tesla stock if you open an account and fund your account with my referral link. And for every friend that you refer, you and the person that you referred will each get $15 worth of Tesla stock as well. It ends today, so please move quick. We will link in the description. So today is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. We're going to get into the silver and the gold momentarily. I want to talk about the spot price, but regardless, it's going to be different from the time I post the video. So head on down to the comments and let me know the time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. But first things first. We can't even get into the precious metals just yet. I think we need to first talk about what's going on in the housing market or what's going on in the world of real estate. I read this article yesterday that was about how the government is now going to be backing home loans of nearly $1 million as the price of homes continue to soar. I bring this up because coincidentally, home affordability is currently at an all-time low, and they're also going to be lowering the bar on income requirements for refinance programs, which means more people will be able to get bigger loans even if they're not making as much money as previously required. Now, at face value, this might sound like good news, making it a little bit easier to get a house, especially right now when it seems as though half of what's on the market is like 20 to 30% overvalued, especially in my case, because I'm interested in potentially looking for a house within the next 1 to 3 years. I've even been doing some online house hunting just to get some ideas. I found a couple of fixer-uppers for super cheap, and being that I've never owned a house before, I could, in theory, get an FHA loan and put as little as 3.5% to 5% down and get in the door with just a couple $1,000s, not including closing costs or other fees or anything like that, just putting that out there. Now, if you're in the Precious Metals VIP Club, you'll know why I'm thinking about this. I basically want to turn it into a business house and basically take what's ordinarily a liability for most people and make it so that it's an asset for me. Because that's a nice little trick the bank will play on you. They'll tell you that your house is an asset. Yeah, for them. For you, it's a liability. I want to go about it in a slightly different way, but that's a VIP club conversation. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to become a VIP club member. But anyway, back to the housing market. Yeah, this sounds good in theory, but it could also be a signal that the price of homes are about to get even more expensive. If you didn't know, the low inventory, the supply chain issues, the nearly lowest interest rates ever, it's caused real estate to explode. And guess what? Investors are incentivized to not sell because the new administration, 46, is trying to get rid of the 1039 exchange, which allows investors to not pay taxes on a property sold as long as they move the funds into a new property within 6 months. But now, with loans giving more people access to more money, of course it's going to help home buyers, but we're also likely to see investors capitalize on this big time as well, which means more houses will be snatched up off the market, which would lead to lower inventory. Less people would be selling, which means even lower inventory, which means the price of homes continue to skyrocket, making affordability fall even more, and the cycle continues. This is just something I was thinking about, and I wanted to make a video just throwing some ideas out there and seeing what everyone else thinks. Let me know your thoughts on the whole new home loan increase concept and whether or not you think it'll be good for the housing market. But anyway, away from real estate, onto silver and gold. Spot price of silver, as I'm filming the video, is $24.93. It's down 12 cents, or down 0.48%. Spot price of gold is $1865.20. It's down $2.10, which is down 0.11%. And the gold to silver ratio is in the 74 to 75 to 1 range. But again, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. So, segueing away from real estate and the housing market, I wanted to talk a little bit about the silver and the gold today. Now, I'm not going to get into what my strategy is for the time being. I've been talking about that quite a bit. I will say this, though. Even though I pretty much want to refuse getting silver online anymore, I'll get it from the local coin shop. I'll get gold on the occasion online. I don't mind doing that. And last week, or I believe Saturday, I put in an order. And I have a little bit of gold on the way. And I'm really hoping that it arrives within the next day or so. Hopefully it's here by Saturday. But it'll get here when it gets here. I put in that order on Saturday with the goal to put in another order this week. And then to put in a third order this upcoming weekend. Not even taking into consideration how slow the mail has been all year, not to mention people are doing a lot of holiday shopping already. People are placing a lot of orders online, and these delivery services are starting to become bombarded. So I didn't even think that this would be an even slower process for me to start receiving what I order online. So last night during the VIP Club live stream, I actually ordered 2 more pieces of gold live on the stream. So now I have 3 little pieces of gold on the way here. Or should I say, on the way to DYDSS headquarters. And I will be doing a couple of gold unboxings in the VIP Club. Again, if you want to become a member, the link will be in the description. I will not be posting them on YouTube until later on down the road, maybe December, like the end of December. But for the time being, I'm now officially waiting on 3 little pieces of gold, and I'm really excited about that. And then I'm probably going to chill out a little bit, because I do want to remain relatively cash heavy for the rest of the month as November turns into December. I've been talking about this quite a bit, but my expectation is that the week of November 29th through December 3rd, that's Monday through Friday, I think that's when we're going to see potentially peak volatility. And the reason I say that is because, well, there's a couple of different reasons. The main reason is because I think a lot of people are going to be taking their profits after the whole Black Friday through Cyber Monday weekend blowout sale. I think a lot of people are going to be taking their profits. I think as we move into December, kind of like what we see every December, people are going to be taking their end of the year profits because we're about to wrap up this tax year and move into the next tax year. Not to mention, a lot of craziness is going to be taking place in December with the whole debt ceiling fiasco and the potential government shutdown catastrophe. That's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt being injected into the markets, and I think we can already see that. We're seeing a lot of red these last couple of days, this whole week so far. We're 4 days in to the week, and I've seen almost nothing but red. Now, don't get me wrong. I love seeing red. I love the red days. I've been explaining this for years. The lower, the better. I can get more for my currency. I can invest more for cheaper. I can stack more for cheaper. I can do everything more for cheaper. So I love the red days. I'm just getting started over here. I've only been doing this for just under 4 years. That's no time at all. 4 years is not long term. And I'm in it for the long term. So I'm trying to capitalize to the best of my ability now. Which is why I couldn't really help myself. I had to pick up a couple little pieces of gold. Don't really like getting stuff online anymore, but it is what it is. My local coin shop has virtually no gold at all. My local coin shop is not even technically a coin shop. It's an antique shop, so they don't have the greatest selection. They do have quite a bit of junk 90% constitutional silver, along with some junk silver from other countries as well. Even coins that I'm not super familiar with. I usually just go in, pick up some Washington quarters, fork over a little bit of currency, and head out the door. The way that I've been stacking for the last 18 months, I would say, 18 to 24 months, has been almost completely automated. I don't even have to think about it anymore. And to be honest with you, I'm trying to implement that as many different ways as I can in my life. I want to think about as little as possible, and I want to make the smallest amount of decisions as possible. I want as much to be automated as possible. That's the plan, that's the goal. Less for me to have to think about, worry about, and do. So I'm trying to do that with the stacking process as well. When it comes to gold, unfortunately, I don't really have any other way of getting my hands on very much gold. I could drive further away and visit some other coin shops and see what they have going on, but at the moment, I don't exactly have all that much time, so it's kind of out of the question. But regardless, I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Do you believe we are potentially on the verge of some housing market craziness? Do you think that the home loan increase or the income requirement decrease is going to have a positive or a negative impact on the world of real estate? And then, of course, when it comes to the silver and the gold, have you picked up any new pieces this week, any new coins, any new rounds, any new bars? Or do you plan on doing so this upcoming weekend? That's when I plan on getting some silver, by the way. I'll be able to physically go to the local coin shop and get me some more silver. Probably Washington quarters. But head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to this video and today's video topic and what your next couple pickups are going to be when it comes to the precious metals. And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shout-outs, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Bunch of brand new videos over there. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way by getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have the Kraken Stackin' design. We got the Consistency is Key design. We got the Mama Didn't Raise No Karen design. We got the Lone Wolf design and a bunch of others as well. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. Make sure to also go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. Today's the last day to get a free $15 worth of Tesla stock just by simply downloading the app, creating an account, and funding your account with any amount. And then, for every friend that you refer, you and the people that you referred will each get $15 worth of Tesla stock. Today is the last day, so please move quick. we will link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the good old government coming in to help people buy homes. It's a good idea, bad idea. The loan increase, the income decrease in order to get a house. Are you for it? Are you against it? Do you think it's going to have a positive or a negative impact on the world of real estate? And then, of course, when it comes to the silver and the gold, have you gotten any new pieces this week? Or do you plan on picking up some new pieces this weekend? If so, what did you get? Or what are you planning on getting? Any new silver? Any new gold? Got some Washington quarters that I'll be picking up this weekend. And 3 new little pieces of gold coming to the VIP club very soon. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.